Manipur calls 18-hour statewide total shutdown starting midnight of November 18 against the NDA-led government trying to pass CAB in the winter parliament session. Women vendors of the Quaramban market will cease one-day work and carry out protest demonstration against CAB tomorrow. Manipur Traders and Transporters Association against extortion on National Highway 37 foams against extortion carried out by NSCN IM. And Manipuri boxers Naurem Chanu and Sanamacha Chanu bags gold medals at Asian Youth Boxing Championship. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Lighting Monica with the latest news updates. Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill, MANPAC, has called for 18 hours statewide total shutdown from midnight of November 18 till 6 p.m. of November 19 against the NDA government's attempt to pass Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 in the upcoming winter parliament session and amid apprehensions brought on by the culmination of the Indo-Naga peace talks. Meanwhile, Northeast Forum for Indigenous People, NEFIP, also resolved to carry out various forms of protest in the whole Northeast region in solidarity to MANPAC. A mass public meet against the same will be held before the total shutdown at Quaramban Market tomorrow. Speaking to media at AIM's office in Kwakitil today, MANPAC convener Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar condemned the central government for attempting to table the bill in the winter parliament session. Asserting that the public have carried out various extensive agitations against the contentious bill, he warned the centre to withdraw the bill. He termed the act as a ploy of the central government to wipe out the indigenous people of the state. Dilip Kumar urged the 60 MLAs of the state to take a firm stance against the contentious bill at the earliest. He warned of intense agitation if they fail to address the issue. Leaders of MANPAC and NEFIP took part in the meet.
Hojik asi yamna aruba tanja amani Manipur gi oinasu yamna charang na ba framework agreement gi miyam asi charang na dana tangdu leita da ba tanja sida tangai phadana CB gi damakta so khoi lep da ba yaroi haibasi miyam gi ba thamoi da phawrakpa masung manpack na tawam thokpa amani hana lojara kanda hayeng asi manpack na sinjaduna ima kaithel da kaithel phambi sing amasung atopa well wishers sing aduga akogi leiriba Manipur gi maru oiba mioi kayana pulla kanda adugumba protest sirin protest sama pangthokani aduga asugumba sirin protest ase hayeng tang taraga nipan se mapung phana pangthoklo matungda tang taraga nipan gi midnight gi tang taraga mapan gi numidang wairam pung taruk phawbana hairiba kano ase total shutdown legani Manipur da.
Attending the press meet, NEFIP President Ningthoja Lancha said that the mass protest was carried out in the Northeast states on October 3 against implementing of the CAB. He added that the Indian government trying to pass the CAB clearly shows the central government trying to exterminate all the native people of the Northeast states. Stating that NEFIP has been protesting not to implement the bill, Ningthoja Lancha asserted that various forms of protest will be carried out in the Northeast states against the bill starting tomorrow. He also called upon people to protest against the bill with unity and further appealed to the MPs of the Northeast states to oppose the bill in the parliament.
Aikogi awang nupok lamdam da hayeng dagi hauna November gi tang tara nipan dagi hauna awang nupok lamdam gi mapung kudimakta India gi authoritative attitude ngamme haidana nampu da toba attitude aduga makoina CAB bu legalize toba gi khongthang asigi mayokta mass agitation miyam hupna changchin ba khongjang hayeng dagi hauragani loinana hairiba khongjang asigi mode of agitation di karamba mong da changchin gadagi haiba adudi federating state organizations singna masa na makoina khanba initiate toba makogi lamga chanaba makogi lamgi phibam yengaga lepa haidara ani subada yanare ahum subada loinana aikogi MP aduga aikogi legislative assembly singi members singnasu Hariba bill se opposed obada masida choidanamak saruk yabiu masibu yaningdaba phongdopiu haidana haijaba hainasu yanare aduna aroibada nefipna sincerely appeal to the people of the Northeast to study, support, and struggle for the cause. Hariba, I can sanchil lakato be kongjang ngasi dangta miyam na awang nopok ki miyam na naina pirakanda aduga madubu sogat pirakanda I ko gi lanteng ase chanchin minerasi haidana adumaina thamjari. Thank you.
Elderly women folks of Khairamban Market has resolved to cease one day's work and carry out protest demonstration against the Citizenship Amendment Bill from early morning tomorrow. Speaking to media at Khairamban Women Market today, General Secretary of Khairamban Nupi Kaithel Sinpam Amasung Saktam Kanbalop, KNKSSKL, T.H. Rani asserted that the resolution was taken following the news circulated in social media and local dailies hinting possible tabling of the CAB in the upcoming winter parliament session. She recalled that many elderly women folks have staged overnight protest in the market for 5 days against the contentious bill before. She asserted that the bill was not tabled in the Rajya Sabha due to intense agitations by the people of the state. She condemned the centre for repeatedly trying to implement the bill. She also urged the shop owners around the markets and women folks of the 3 women market to take part in the protest meet.
India government amukhanna Manipur miyam jige against Manipur miyam gi mayokta citizen amendment pass tawni haina phongdok pirpal sigi mayokta phongdok pasigi mayokta khoi ima kaithena seleiba khoi kaithel ahum ima kaithing yoina hayeng ji ayuk angan bade hongna khoi nongma yoba sintha lepaga khoi wakan mi phamjagani hariba wakan mi pham asida government kaithel gi akoi bada phambirba dukandar khudimaksu masi lamdam se leiba khoi isa isa gi daitani khalaga khoi nongma sintha lepi duna khoi kaithena sinjariba wakan mi pham se saruk ya biu aduga kaithel se leibiriba ima ben punamaksu
Communist Party of India, Manipur State Council questioned the silence of Chief Minister Nongthombam Birren as he assured to add a clause to protect Manipur before passing the Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Parliament, despite the fact that CAB will be produced at the winter session of Parliament, which starts tomorrow. Speaking to media in a press meet held at party office in Irrawaddy Bhavan today, General Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council, L. Sotin Kumar, criticized the BJP for resolving to produce CAB in the parliament amidst the issue of the Indo-Naga peace talks. He asserted that CPI and its allied parties will fight at its best to stop converting India into a Hindu land by the BJP. L. Sotin Kumar demanded the state government to put their assurances into actions regarding CAB.
Assam's Chief Minister Mr. Sonowal, Prime Minister akan pressure na Citizenship Amendment Bill gi mayok the passed of the haibangame. Meghalaya gi Chief Minister na haibangame. Arunachal Pradesh ki adu ngasimak cabinet meeting phammi. Citizenship Amendment Bill gi mayok aduga karigino Seri Birren gi sarkar sina cabinet na karim to warep lo ngamdriba. Kudakte assembly kaurakanda maru in Citizenship Amendment Bill passed over yaroi. Haiduna warep lo dribu karigino.
Speaking further, L. Sotin Kumar strongly condemned the statement expressed by Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan and demanded to announce his plans as an MP regarding the Indo-Naga peace talks. Extending solidarity to boycott the Sangai festival by Kokomi, L. Sotin Kumar urged people for their support regarding the same. He also asserted that CPI's Manipur State Council will carry out mass protests in various parts of the state regarding CAB and the Naga peace talks on November 19.
BJP की MP पुथोराबा कांद महाक न थेंगनबगी मदुगी गट्टु करी लेगेदोरी बनावा BJP की कारबी MP मयाम सिग मनुग महाक वही मिनिट अमतंग ngamबुई तंजा फंगदराबा मदु मोगी पार्टी न मंगोंदा Citizenship Amendment Bill की मायोक्ता नत्रगा अदु फ्रेमवर्क एग्रीमेंट की मायोक्ता वही हम हाइनबगी मदुगी आयाबसे BJP की पार्टी न श्री रंजन सुक्पी पिरोए
Sons of Kanglei Park, Sok, carried out a mass peace rally against disintegration of Manipur by the final outcome of the Indo-Naga peace talks today. Manipur police personnel halted the rally, which was all set to kick off from Thangmaiban till Nambol due to no permit from the DC. The protesters later took out the rally after acquiring a permit from the DC. Taking part in the rally, General Secretary of SOG, Udoy Kuman, said that the association will stir intense agitations if the outcome of the Naga peace talks ever harms the state's territorial integrity. Mentioning the recent bomb blast in the state, he appealed to whoever concerned not to plant bombs in crowded areas.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯗꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ NSN IMꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯄꯤꯁꯇꯣꯜ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯉꯝꯈꯩ ꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯍꯟꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯉꯝꯈꯩ ꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯊꯧꯁꯤꯟ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯀꯅꯨ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯨꯅꯃꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯗꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯕꯖꯥꯔꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯤꯟꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯣꯝ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯈꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯆꯝ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯗ ꯑꯁꯣꯛ ꯑꯄꯟ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯥꯡ ꯑꯇꯥ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯅꯪꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯈꯩ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯗꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯨꯗꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯆꯝ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ.
Volunteers of 6 local clubs from Kwakaithel to Mongsangai jointly carried out protest demonstration at Tidim ground today against disintegration of Manipur. Speaking to media, Kokomi Assistant Coordinator Nando Luwang urged those politicians concerned not to sideline the protest by people of the state regarding the Indo-Naga peace talks. Maintaining that Manipur is in a critical condition, he asserted that apprehension among people has increased as the Citizenship Amendment Bill will be tabled at the winter session of the Parliament, which starts tomorrow.
Hauzik Manipur gi miyamna Manipur gi punba saktam kaigane haibagi mi pai bama leiringi charik sida amuk Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 lamuk hayeng November gi tang 19 dagi haugadureba Lok Sabha gi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯂꯩꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯔꯥꯡꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯆꯔꯥꯡꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯕ ꯁꯨꯡꯐꯝ ꯐꯪꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ NSN IMꯒ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯀꯥꯏꯍꯜꯂꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯁꯣꯜꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯗꯦ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁ ꯁꯣꯜꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯝꯂꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯃ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯕ
United Club Konthosam, a conglomerate of 8 clubs in Konthosam, also staged alert protest meet today under the banner of Kokomi at Konthosam Maninglekai Kabui village gate. Students and many people took part in the protest and displayed various placards. Taking part in the protest, Chairman of Konthosam Maning Tribal Women Association, Achame Kamai, said that the final outcome of the Indo-Naga peace talks cannot divide the various communities residing in the state. The chairman warned of intense agitation by people of Manipur if the finalization of the Indo-Naga peace talks ever affects the state.
Pulli base ngasidi lekai asup yambasina wakhanse changnang balaire aduga laifam khangdre safam khangde ekhoina lairibase khoi pukningda ingba tappa nungai ba haibse laitre ekhoi Manipur laibak se thaina degi ekhoina laibira ise ima ipa singna lairamba lamni adu akhoi pokli bani sida khoi se nungaina khoi de lairambani aduga hujik akhoi gi India na akhoi Manipur kai hanbase khoi di subya yade haibase akhoi Konthosam Maning Tribal Association na su akhoi khon na su khoi lekai na yade haibase asida akhoi ngasi se phamli bani.
Members of Purai Romba Kaithel Nupi Seva Committee and women vendors near Palace Compound staged sit-in against disintegration of Manipur at Palace Compound today. Various placards were displayed during the protest. People of Khongman Zone 3, Khongman Pandit Laikai also staged alert protest meet at Khongman Zone 3 Community Hall under the banner of Kokomi today. Members of Mairapai B clubs and organization of the area took part in the protest organized by Khongman Students Club. Various placards were displayed at the protest meet. Sagolban Maino Lairag Mairapai B Apun Balob carried out protest demonstration under the banner of Kokomi at Sagolban Maino Lairag Machen today. Divine Club and Thongju Part 1 and 2 Apunba Mairapai Bilob also staged sit-in at Kakwa Namairakpam Lekai. Mairapai Bs of Kaisampa Thiam Lekai also staged sit-in against disintegration of Manipur. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee continued their relay hunger strike against non-disclosure of the Indo-Naga peace talks and non-convening of State Assembly session staged by party members at Congress Bhavan, BT Road today. Various placards that read, "Congress stands for United Manipur," "Do not play divisive policy in notice," "Do not destroy the administrative structure of Manipur," etc. were displayed at the relay hunger strike.
Hona section laga masigi waroi sin porktring gi mamangda madung mamayam sing ado khoina loina si thinghong da bagi damakta ni khoina ngasi changkhile bo khongjang ase aduna masi ekhoi khaktana gi kano nate ekhoi ju congress ki changkhilak bo khongjang woni sum changthin bani aduga tawbudi ekhoi apun bagi sakti na ngamgado bani praja section dagi COCO jingi section dagi political parties ni section dagi government gi maikai dagi punama sidagi ekhoi punamana manar matam madu da ekhoi na masi success hoiba ngamgado bani aduna hoji congress na appeal tawjari base अखोई पुनः मंग मतम लेरिंगैसिदा अंगम थाकता खोई होनरगा मसी कन्ननब खोई होनो होसी नत्रगदी हयेंग तुंगदा मणिपुर से मचे मचे तारगा मांगबा अदुगी मदकता अखोईगी येलहोमी मयाम अमा तुमना मांगसिलकपगी अदुंबा खुदोंचादब मयाम सिंगदो तुंगदा थेंगनरकदो मयाम सिंगदो हंदक हजि मतम लेरिंगैसिदा पुनः पुनसलगा थेंगनमिनहोरसी.
Members of Lamlai Kendra Development Committee, Mahila Committee, Youth Committee, Hill Areas Committee and Lamlai Kendra Development Political Forum also carried out alert protest meet at Lamlai Kendra Block Congress Committee office today. Taking part in the protest, President of Lamlai Kendra Development Political Forum, T.H. Khamba, condemned the MLAs of Lamlai constituency for remaining silent amid apprehension brought on by the possible culmination of the Indo-Naga peace talks. The protesters chanted various slogans demanding protection of the state's territorial integrity and disclosure of the final outcome of the peace talks at the protest meet.
Manipur Congress Committee na sindna puthang chara henba daunari loinana sagolban kendra gi MLA masamak yauna wakat mifam phambadi yauri Manipur gi apunba gi saktam kaiba yaroi habagi ehausida mafam khunda political leader singa loinana yauri ba tanjasda lamlai kendra da leriba kendra gi MLA masamak khangba yamne henmanara natraga khangdadra tauribra kendra gi oiba isuda development gi oiro Manipur gi saktam kaiba yaroi na mayamna saganariba ehausida masi bokta karim ta wafam amta phongdoktana jirba Anjashda tour program sindana chathok chasin taulaiba asi ekoi prajamo ena yamna penjete Manipur gi ngamkhai kaiba yaroi Manipur gi singtam amatani Manipur gi manungda atopa autonomous body amagi lengaglon thamba yaroi.
Moirang Block Congress Committee and Moirang Block Mahila Congress Committee, Moirang Assembly Youth Congress carried out protest demonstration at Moirang Laikoipung against disintegration of Manipur today. The protesters demanded to convene a special assembly session at the earliest and resolved to preserve the integrity of the state by the 60 MLAs. Speaking to media, former Moirang MLA M. Prithviraj questioned Chief Minister Nongthongban Birren for his failure to convene a special assembly session despite his assurance to protect the integrity of the state. Members of the committee, councillors attended the protest meet.
Manipur ki lairiba praja singi interest am da so websa written assurance am PBB kariya kai ba laiye ba adugi matukta khoi ngasi honorable chief minister su hauji assembly session ka wi mathau ta di hai assembly session ama ka wusi adugi matik kyam kai ba laiye ba khudak ta kaura nong magi special session da MLA humphuna aduda yaning da MLA yauksano loina ma khanga da ngak sida khoi ki one line agenda da akhoi Manipur ki administrative structure aduga territorial integrity kai han ba sungya yaro haina MLA sing na desk thilla kanda resolution amal kanda to the prime minister to the home minister thaba kyam kai ba lai rage ba.
Amidst apprehension by people regarding the threat imposed by the final outcome of the Indo-Naga peace talks, NSC and IM has reportedly demanded huge amount of money to the transporters and traders working along the national highway. An association called Manipur Traders and Transporters Association Against Extortion on National Highway 37 Imphal Ziribam Road was formed against the extortions carried out by the NSC and IM. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, Association Secretary L. Jayananda said NSC and IM has recently issued an order to pay 1% sell tax by transporter and traders instead of the 3,000 rupees per trip. He added that one self-styled John, who declared himself in possession of the orders from government of NSC and IM, pressurized traders and transporters to pay 1% sell tax through phone. Jayananda further added that a memorandum has been submitted to Prime Minister, Home Minister, Manipur Governor, Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister to resolve the matter. Jayananda further demanded the NSA and IM to revoke their order for the betterment of traders and transporters.
Jujik NSN IM na lambi asida hanadigi hongna jiribam dagina Imphal bo poche pusalakpa gari singda gari amada lupa lising ahum per trip da komdo lai pidragana phuba chaiba hatpa kidnap toba mayam yauri man singda basu yauri maraga sida hojik inong no boina sigi mathakta port ki man dugi value dugi 1% sale tax pigadabani haidana NSN IM na thokpa order ama authorization ama zone ko bamyo NSN IM gi sale tax collector amana hoi lambi da cheliba trader amusung transporter singda phone tawduna masigi sale tax se PW yaroi haina pressure piba horakle ikui dringaida gari phaba punba amusung man chingdaraga man mangan giba thodok mayam leigre masigi haiba lambi sida amu hanna makhata na sigumba problem je thoktanaba government na sinbiyu solve tobiyu yam athuba matamda.
A combined team of Imphal East District Commando and 15 Assam Rifles arrested a suspected member of Pre-Park VC at around 9:45 a.m. yesterday. The arrested person is 50-year-old Huidrom Inau Singh, alias Chingsang, son of late H. Yaima Singh from Haikak Mapal Makha Lekai under Sagolmang Police Station in Imphal East. Sagolmang Police Station has registered a case and investigations are underway. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on EAB proprietor Akoizam Ibomcha announcing an award of 1 lakh rupees to those who can provide details of miscreants who burned paddy. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Proprietor of Eastern Arms Border, Akoizam Ibomcha, announced an award of 1 lakh rupees to those who can provide details of those miscreants who set ablaze crops kept at field in Mongsangai, Makhalekai, Arubam Lekai. Akoizam Ibomcha extended help to 6 rice bags and 5,000 rupees to the victim Tongbram Sanjoy. Strongly condemning the inhuman act, he appealed people to provide information of the miscreants involved in the incident to Singjamai Police Station or Sun Club, Mongsangai, or the Pradhan of the area. AK Bomcha further asserted that details of the informer will not be disclosed to the public.
Yainin Chalakanda, my Thotan Leramba, Shumasi Yamna, strongly condemned away Yam Noite, Shumatoxi Amhona, Totanaba, Aquamiam Kano Honasi, Aduga. Yambasigi, Pokitun issue, Taruk, Pijeri, Yambasi, Awabs Kitan Konaba, Natosabni, Palishing Mangam, in the Pijeri, Masigi, Laden Tobusabunate, Sena, Magi, Nuaitaba, Sikitan Konabana, Tosabni, Adugayam Maruba, Sigi, Iku might harm me missing she, Kanagumana, Aishada, Natraquation Club Presidenta, Natragana, Quiki, Lekai, Pradhanda, Kawa Police Station da Takpira Badi, I be Midugi, Maming Mata, Akwe Lepin some Ludo Sanzaraga, Lupa Lama, Gip Togzagani, and Massimam Corporation Pin 8,000.
Kawa Tang Trom the Kawa, they trang other Kuda Konzalaga, start with the Yaget over the Mate had woman. Matunga, Tawidana by the Aina Koramse. I know one of the Mating Pangbi on the Joe. I get angry, no I.
Following suspension of 4 police personnel, including OC Letkohau Vaipai of Moray Police Station, which recently bagged the best police station for their alleged involvement in substance ketamine IP injection, Joint Interrogation Center JIC has been interrogating them. Technopol police team led by additional SP LOKH Robinson under the supervision of Technopol SP TH Vikramjit raided the residence of Moray Police ASI T Pauminlun Haukib in Moray Ward number 9 on November 12 and recovered 10,755 bottles of 50 milligrams of ketamine injection Ketamex 50. Upon further investigation, Technopal District Police arrested Constable Laksan Kom and Head Constable Mohammad Khalilub of Moray Police Station for allegedly peddling contraband ketamine injection the next day. Inspector Letkohau Vaipai was produced before Lumphill NDPS court yesterday. The court remanded accused Inspector Letkohau, ASI T Pauminlun, and 2 accused constables into 5 days of police custody for necessary investigations. According to Impact News sources, ASI T Pauminlun, Head Constable Khalilub and Constable Laksan Kom was produced before GIC and investigations are underway. The arrested persons will be produced before NDPS court tomorrow for further remand. Acting on a tip-off, Narcotic Affairs and Borders NAB conducted frisking operations at Wabagai Lamkai and apprehended an individual with 3 kilograms and 800 grams of opium carrying and 1 Honda Dio. The miscreant is 23 years old, Muhammad Chanjez Khan, son of late Muhammad Abdul Latif from Sora Maning Lekai in Kakching district. NAB police station has registered a case and investigations are underway. Former advisor of BJP Thanga Mandal and Thoiba denied the selection of new executive members of BJP Thanga Mandal by an election on November 14. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Kabul, called by the former members of the Mandal yesterday, he demanded for re-election. And Thoiba asserted that following their BJP office notification on November 9 for selection of booth-level president on November 12, voting arrangements were made for 7 polling stations out of the 26 polling stations of Thanga Mandal. However, the RO of BJP state notified to postpone the election owing to the prevailing issues in the state. He strongly negated the statement of SRO or DRO concerned, stating that the elections were held on 16 polling stations on November 16. Two books titled Crafting the Word, which consist of writings of 27 female writers of the state, and The Many That I Am, which consists of writings from the female writers of Nagaland, was released at Imphal Peace Museum in Nambol today. The books are published under Zuban Publisher, an independent feminist publishing house based in New Delhi. Thingnam Anjulika Samom is the editor of Crafting the Word, and Angungla Zoe Longkumar is the editor of The Many That I Am. Director of Zuban Publisher, Padmasri Urvashi Butalia, President of Lemarol Khorze Khol, Laikhol, KSH Vadani, and many eminent persons took part in the event.
Ngasi akoina phongiba Crafting the Word aina Zuban Publisher na phongiba lairigasi ada sidaista number yauri si akoigi essay yaure adagi artwork kharasu yawe artwork graphic story hagadra ada akoina sigi main theme akoina localisi nupi writer singsina akoi Manipur da leba nupi singsi moigi status se kamaina ui adana nupi gi position nupi gi phibam se kamaina uge habadu reflect over wari sing adagi setting nang khangalaga khomjan malairing.
So this book is all by Naga women, and it addresses issues faced by Naga women. So basically is a reflection. It's the first time that a book like this has come out, and I'm really grateful to Zuban and the Sasakawa Peace Foundation for giving me the chance to work on this project and be a sort of a channel to bring out writings, new writings out of Nagaland. This book is actually like a reflection of the immediate circle of artists that are around me, and I'm hoping that it'll also be an inspiration for more writers to come out and speak out.
Chumam Dharan Young Star Club Iringbam felicitated Anand Thingbaizam from Iringbam, who secured the first position in MA Economics examination conducted by the Manipur University today. Members of the club presented cash award and memento to Anand in the presence of his parents during the event held at Iringbam Mamang Community Hall. Manipur State Cooperative Union, Imphal Urban Cooperative Bank, Manipur Women's Cooperative Bank and Registrar of Cooperative Societies jointly held the week-long observance of 66th All India Cooperation Week at the conference hall of Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited, All Assembly Road. Speaking on the occasion, Registrar of Cooperative Societies, Registrar Robert Singh Ketrimayum, called for cooperation and unity among the cooperative societies of Manipur.
Yamna changthokpa yamna thak wangna level amada thabak torokpa cooperative societies thibda koina wa haise maroina ina khanjabada cooperation among cooperators kitang wat prai nai khanjai haibadi akoigi kitang some issues kharada some matter kharada nuainada basi yam thokalle ain sum yengjabada masina kamai tawde cooperator machine ji unabada wa kongnada ba wa ngangne so e khabar do ina ngangne ji som khabar dam hapiro ko jum kumjarake ga ba auto unasi ga habu 시험버스 좀 톡도 નથી કોર્ટો ઉદરીંગે ખબર도 પાવ ફાઉન્ડરીંગે કોઓપરેશનદુદી નાકલામરમ ચખરે
Kanglei Park Students Association KSA held post-Ningol Chakoba celebrations today. Many women folk from various communities feasted together at KSA office in Koyatong. The women folks lauded the association for organizing the event. Speaking on the sidelines, KSA President Ningthawzam Chetan asserted that KSA will stand firm against any harm to the territorial integrity and unity of Manipur.
Tungda luchingba orakadaba akhoi khunai orakadaba akhoi luchingba amasung luchingbi orakadaba singsida akhoi panam am piduna akhoi hena afaba khunai ama ohinabada akhoi kitang da oisu akhoina support tawjage hana akhoi sigi pandam da khoina ningon chakhobu si pangthok chabani adu
All Manipur Muslim Student Organization AMSO held 12 dua ceremony in regard to death anniversary of former president of All Manipur Muslim Student Organization Hanif Saha at ABA Ground Community Hall in Ketrigao today. Third Hanif Shah Memorial Meritorious Award was also distributed on the occasion. Altogether, 139 students who secured high marks in the Class 10 and 12 examinations 2019 conducted by BOSEM, COSEM and CBSE were felicitated at the event. Speaking at the event, President of Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization Abdullah Fundre Mayum extolled Hanif Shah for all his contributions for the society.
All Manipur Muslim Organizers Coordinating Committee, MOCO President, Mangelection Biriba, Abdul Khalik Singamayong, Amadi, Umdogi President, 2019 Lasidana Amuka, Aikoi, High River, Kuik Bihu Organization Ador, Madu Maming Lauraga, Tabukova, Mui Karanamuka, Aikoi, the Maki Pangalogate, Pangaloni, behind the Funduri. Masidaina, Tamjani Wapam Amatan, Tamjani Wapamase, I'm sorry, President, I'm sorry, Miam the Kankiba. Haidi reformation to kiba wiki reformation to matam mayam hen kre koina reformation to jara matam madagi ai koi MOCO ki vice president oina ngasi phapam lang election bi ba ai yamba Muzaffar loina na matam madugi khuyek bi da yaubi witness oi biru ba former president MOCO ahli mo Abdul Khalik na wafam mase masi tasenga miya mamangda ai koi gyan thanbina bagi damakta thambirakani haina asa to.
Now the sports news. All 5 of the country's women finalists emerged victorious, while 2 men signed off with silver medals at the Asian Youth Boxing Championship held at Mongolia today. Indian players Narim Chanu for 51 kg, Vinkas 64 kg, Sanamacha Chanu 75 kg, Poonam 54 kg and Susma 81 kg bagged gold medal at the championship. For men, Sele Soy 49 kg, Ankit Narwal 60 kg settled for the second place after going down in their respective summit clashes. Team Manipur left Imphal today to participate in the 8th National Traditional Wrestling and Prakishan Championship 2019 at Telangana from November 21 to 24. Social worker of Konthozam, K. Hemchandra, flagged off the team comprising of 35 men and women players from Komanlam Park. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Manpack calls 18-hour statewide total shutdown starting midnight of November 18 against the NDA-led government trying to pass CAB in the winter parliament session. Women vendors of Quaramban Market will cease one-day work and carry out protest demonstration against CAB tomorrow. Manipur Traders and Transporters Association against extortion on National Highway 37 forms against extortion carried out by NSC and NIM. And Manipuri boxers Narim Chanu and Sanamacha Chanu bagged gold medals at the Asian Youth Boxing Championship.